you wanna
Yes, please.
just react. Yeah. To the resolution, Mr. President, is it correct that ang pinagmulan nito ay yung presentation ni Commodore Tariela na may depiction in caricature or whatever the right name is of President Xi sa presentation niya? Ito ba yung pinagmulan nito?
Hindi naman, di ba? Even before that. Yeah. I think that may be one of the issues raised, but I don't think it began with that, Mr. President.
No, Mr. President, because bago po yung yung Chinese ambassador eh. So all the disputes with the former ambassador, kung meron man, was covered by the 19th Congress eh. Kompleto naman tayo ng resolution eh. So lumala ito nung nagkaroon ng caricature regarding the president of China. So, asan yung side by side? Pakita mo. So, siguro ito question ko. Let's, with your permission, Mr. President, Senator Pangilinan, let's focus on Commodore Tariela muna, no? Let me state this for the record muna, ha? I don't doubt his patriotism. I don't doubt his contribution to the cause. At lahat ng ginawa niya na opisyal at tama, wala akong problema. Okay. This is one picture. Pero nasan yung picture ni Presidente na nung sa ASEAN ba yon or sa APEC? Hindi, yung nilapitan niya bigla si President Xi. Meron ka nun, di ba? Ito muna. Ano sa dalawa ang opisyal ng Pilipinas? Yung mag-usap tayo, magdebate, ipaglaban natin atin, pero sa simbolo ng watawat at sa simbolo ng Pangulo ng bawat bansa, cordial tayo, or ang official ba natin ay umikot tayo at gumawa tayo ng mga caricature at siraan natin ang image ng presidente ng kabila? Which is our official policy?
If I may just clarify, Mr. President, because the mention of the caricature. Mr. President, according to the information, the caricature came out January 14. But even before that, Mr. President, I publicly came up with a statement expressing concern about the military exercises, live military exercises undertaken by China in the Taiwan Straits. That was in December. And there, Mr. President, I was called out by the Chinese embassy spokesperson saying, reminding me that I should respect the one China policy. And so the issue of Tariela cannot be isolated, Mr. President.
Okay. So,
and therefore, if I answer this, it is simplifying, Mr. President, the whole resolution into Tariela's statements. No, it's not, Mr. President.
Mr. President, I'll go to the one China policy later on and why you were called out. Because if you remember, the president himself was called out.
Exactly,
but not
Mr.
by
President.
no, because that's their duty.
Well, and this is our duty to respond.
Yes.
Mr. President. Yes.
Yes, it's your duty to respond, Mr. President. But
To uphold the rights, to uphold our independence, to uphold our freedom of speech, Mr. President.
yes, Mr. President, but one of the red lines of China in their diplomatic relations with any country, including the United States, is the one China policy. That's why when the Speaker of the House of US went to Taiwan, they were called out. And there was no issue.
Mr. President,
and they called, Mr. President, let me finish.
Yes.
They called, and there was a debate. When President Bongbong said we have to prepare, President BBM, nag-statement. So, wala namang issue eh. Eto stand natin, eto stand nila.
Except that,
What's
Mr.
the issue
President,
there?
my experience with Chinese statements, Mr. President, is that they tend to be inaccurate, or they tend to make wrong, false accusations. Mr. President, I was chairperson of the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats. Our organization was blacklisted by China. And the accusation was that the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats, of which I was chairperson, was supporting Taiwanese independence, which was a lie, Mr. President. So I've had experience with Chinese public statements that are false because it serves their interests to promote their one China policy. We respect their one China policy. When I expressed concern about the live military exercise, I did not speak about Taiwan's independence, or I did not speak about, at least from my point of view, it had nothing to do with the one China policy. We were just expressing concern that the live military exercises are creating tension and escalating tension in our region. There was no mention of one China policy, and then they come in and then remind me.
No, Mr. President.
That
is a standard reminder because they consider Taiwan and the waters in between to be part of China. So, put it another way, Mr. President. Sa kainitan ng secession movement ng Mindanao, kung may statement ang isang opisyal ng China dahil nagpadala tayo ng military sa Marawi, hindi ba ang diplomats natin sa Beijing sasabihin din sa kanila, huwag kayong makialam? Kasi one Philippines to eh. Ang Mindanao ay hindi independent.
Mr. President, I beg to disagree with the comparison. I think, again, ano yan, Atis at Santol, Mr. President. Iba yung sitwasyon dun sa Mindanao, iba naman ang sitwasyon dito sa Taiwan Straits, Mr. President.
Mr. President, that's a
For example, we have about 200,000 overseas Filipinos in Taiwan. And so these live military exercises are a concern because an accident could lead towards, a shooting war, which we would, for the sake of our Filipinos overseas, we would like to ensure that nothing like that happens.
No, I agree with you, Mr. President. And I agree with your statement, and I agree na sana hindi invade yung Taiwan. What I'm saying is it's the duty of their diplomats na sumagot. So if there were 200,000 Chinese in Mindanao, and we had live exercises, i-invade yung Marawi, yung ating diplomat ay aangal pa rin sa Beijing because it's their duty. Diba? But to move on from that, Mr. President, okay, going back to Commodore Tariela, sa resolution nyo po kasi nakalagay dito in their performance of the official duties. So, tinanong ng ambassador ng China sa DFA, official ba yan? Which is tama and normal. So, if in Beijing, yung isang general doon ay maglabas ng caricature ni BBM, ipare-recall natin yung ambassador natin doon pag hindi siya nagtanong, nag-protest na bakit, at pag hindi sinabing official ba yon. Kasi yung Pangulo natin takes effort and time for good relations despite the dispute. Tapos yung general, naka-uniforme pa siya on official time, will show this caricature. So my point, Mr. President, is nagahalo-halo kasi itong resolution na to kung ano tama at mali. Let's assume, I will not grant because hindi ko alam yung statements niyo, Mr. President. I have to admit that. Okay? Pero nagahalo din yung statement si Tariela. We cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So,
we would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt Mr. Tariela.
So that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng
President,
isang bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No. Bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I ask them now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide?
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tignan nyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa, let me ask that
Mr.
question.
President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards me?
China. It's about
You're,
decorum.
you're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges,
no,
Mr.
no, no, no.
President. You are simplifying
Session
what
is
is a
suspended for 1 minute.
complicated na international.
So wala akong problema sa pinaglalaban ni Commodore Tariela. Pero hindi naman tayo fraternity dito sa Pilipinas na mali na nga brad mo, pero dahil bugbugan sa ibang bansa, sasabihin mo tama brad mo. Mali eh. Mali. I don't propose a resolution, but the guy should apologize and just say na tama pinaglalaban ko, pero mali na ginawa kong ganyan. Now, if he wants to do that, he resigns his commission. He can go around, he can join the media, he can be a blogger, he can be a professor, he can be like Ronald Llamas and call himself a influencer or a political analyst, di ba? But when you're in uniform, the other countries will ask you, official ba yan? That's standard, Mr. President. Kaya tayo nagkakaproblema.
Mr. President, wala namang problemang magtanong sila. Pero itong mga bitiw na salita nila sa kanilang Facebook official pages ay hindi katanggap-tanggap. Number one. Number two, kahit sa China, Mr. President, kinakarikature ang ating Pangulo ng state-controlled, China state-controlled media. Na alam natin, walang lumalabas dyan na hindi aprobado ng Communist Party. So merong China, Xinhua News, andito si BBM, may caricature, andito rin, So maliwanag, Mr. President, that they too, through their official channels,
Sir President.
come up with caricatures, Mr. President.
Sir President, yun po, with all due respect, Senator Pangilinan, and dapat ina-advisean ng DFA ng tama, hindi po mangga sa mangga o atis sa atis yan. Communist countries, including Vietnam, Cuba, North Korea, pag news outlet nila, although alam natin in reality, may say sila, just like PTB4, in reality, hindi dapat, but in reality, kahit sinong administrasyon ay may say sa PTV4, is not considered track 1. Hindi siya track 1. So kung hindi ka track 1, pwede ka mag-caricature. Media yun eh. Kahit na alam ng Communist Party. So if our diplomat ask, is that official? Sasagutin ka, that's our news. Hindi kami.
Which is deniable, Mr. President, and therefore okay lang.
No, it's not okay lang.
Well,
It's not okay lang, Mr. President.
Why
It is the
when we
international-
defend when our officials caricature, it's not okay. But when their state-controlled news caricatures, it's okay.
No, Mr. President. There is an
Ayun naman pala eh.
international...
So what's the issue?
No, Mr. President, there's an international order in foreign relations. And when these countries that control state media do it, it is accepted that it is not track 1. But when democratic countries have generals who do that, it destroys the order.
Yes, Mr.
Nagmumukha tayong childish at bata, nasisira po ang kredibilidad mula sa Pangulo hanggang sa Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Kung hindi sila napapahiya na ginagawa ng state news, tayo napapahiya. Kasi walang maniniwala na gagawin ng general yan at hindi siya ipagsosorry, tapos sasabihin hindi siya opisyal.
Well, again, Mr. President, if taken in isolation, and that's the difficulty here, the good senator is taking it in isolation. That was January 14. December pa lang, pinuntirya na ako. Si Senator Risa Ontiveros, the same. Nung nag-statement ang Congressman Laila and Congressman Jokno, tinira rin. So, itong propensity to focus on Tariela because nagre-reklamo on China, it does not present the entire picture, Mr. President.
Mr. President.
This resolution would not have happened if it was just Mr. Tariela, Commodore Tariela they were complaining about.
No, Mr.
But precisely, it is a systematic propaganda campaign to discredit our public officials, to discredit our armed forces, Mr. President. Ganyan ang style. And the statement of the DND, if you look at it, if you read through it, they were saying, and they condemned the lies. Mr. President, they described it as lies ang nilalabas ng China. And then dito tayo, nagrereklamo sila dahil dito sa caricature. Eh sana naman medyo patas tayo dahil dito naman tayo sa atin, Mr. President. Suportahan naman natin yung ating Coast Guard. Sila ang tumataya dyan eh. At suportahan natin ang DND at ang ating men in uniform. Yun ang ating
Mr. President.
kagustuhan para maipasa itong resolusyon na ito that we stand behind our men in uniform. We oppose and we condemn the lies, the disinformation, and the maligning being undertaken by China against the senators, against congressmen, against our men in uniform. Mr. President, ganun lang kasimple ito. Hindi na dapat pinahaba pa at pinatatagal pa to, Mr. President.
Mr. President, that's his opinion that hindi to pwedeng pahabain. This affects OFWs. This affects our ailing economy. This affects our being a Christian nation. This affects moral ascendancy. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin dahil mali kayo, mali na rin gagawin ko. Dahil ang Coast Guard tama, yung isang general na ng bastos, okay. So I take offense sa sabihin, dito naman kayo sa amin. Protektahan nyo naman Coast Guard. Kailan namin hindi protektahan ng Coast Guard, Mr. President? We are for the Coast Guard, Mr. President. But if one of their generals went over the line and did something that is wrong, childish, undiplomatic, reckless, unprofessional, it's also our duty. Did we file a resolution here to ask someone to correct him? Hindi po. Kasi hindi na namin kailangan ng rest back ng Senado. Pag kami nakakapag-debate sa Russian ambassador, American ambassador, hindi namin kailangan rest back ng Senate. Especially kung tama kami. But what we're asking sa resolution to is rest back ng buong Senado. Which I'll go to the other point because hindi tayo magkasundo dyan. So tingin nyo tama, bahala kayo. Because may mga anak kayo, may mga apo, tayong lahat. Dadating tayo dyan. Pwede mo ba sabihin sa anak mo, anak, pag mali sila, gumawa ka na rin ng mali. Anak, okay lang mang bastos kasi mas bastos sila eh. Anak, okay lang mag-bully kasi mas bully sila. Ako, hindi ko sasabihin yon. Ako, sasabihin ko,
At hindi yun ang sinasabi.
hindi, yun ang sinasabi mo, Mr. President, and I'm
No,
not yet
Mr.
finished.
President, of
Kasi
course
you said, tama
We
si
beg to
Tariela.
disagree,
Mr.
Mr.
President, I'm not yet finished. No?
Well, we beg to
So, Mr. President, this is the question. The resolution question statement. Sabi dito, whereas in response to the public statements of the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, etc., etc., walang naka-attach ko anong statements nila. So paano tayo magdidebate dito? That's why mahaba to eh. Mga pang-3 araw to, inisa-isa ko yung statements. Pinapakuha ko sa staff. Nagsumula lang ako kay Tariela because